I got unlimited options. They texting my phone now. I want your attention. You could be the only one I'm trying to see now. Let's figure this out.
Ooh. Tay-Tay. Get your life.
Oh.
Hey. Get your life. We ain't sad today.
No, we're not. What is she doing?
Okay, vlog. We about to go turn up a little bit. I ain't want to come out. It's after work, but I threw myself together.
I'm happy you guys got me out. I was about to send you guys out.
Wait, what does this sign say? We gonna have to put it on the
Oh
vlog.
my God! What did she take a picture of?
That say 10 p.m. to 4. What does that say? That say 12 a.m. to 4 a.m.
Okay, but
Go read the other one. You can't really tell. We're trying to make sure we not. That's what it say, 12 a.m. We're not gonna be here till 12 a.m.
No, but it starts tomorrow.
Oh, that's because it's because it's Pride. I'm starving. My feet sliding in these shoes because because I put lotion on my feet like a dummy.
The first one, no, they on the right feet.
Oh, you thought your shoes weren't on the right feet? I'll be sliding in these shoes. We need to get in the walking lane.
Wow.
Where she go? Walking slow. Oh, she coming. It's gonna be so lit out here tomorrow for Pride. They so ready. Me too. I'm not gonna make promises, but I might come out here and vlog. But as of right now, this is me being out. But we just want a meal. Yeah. This is where we're going. Kit Kat Lounge. Hope I don't get copyrighted for that little music that's right there. Hello. You so extra. Boobs about to pop out. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. This is lit, guys. It's so cute in here. I'll show you guys some more, but we need to order food. I'm hungry. I want the, they got the big one. It's the big one. But I want the lemon. It's so cute in here. I've never been for dinner, but it looks so cute in here, like with all the lights out and everything. And this martini list is, whoa, put a ring on it. That's cute. You always want something strong.
I'm a teacher.
I don't know what I want. My drink looks so good. Strawberry lemonade, martini, like margarita. I've seen so many margaritas. That's what I'm probably. Looks so good. Everybody, let's taste them. Ooh, this is so good. This is so good. Like I wish y'all could taste this.
I don't understand.
There is a God. How's yours, Tata? And they gave her a cute little blow pop. Hers is called Put a Ring on It. You so nasty. This is a piece of
I like to say
Which one is yours, T?
It's like the red bourbon.
She got bourbon because she wanted something strong. I got strawberry lemonade because I needed something light but still good.
Got some yellow rain.
That's mine. Thank you.
The pasta.
Thank you. I need some more food. Tonight was so fun. Here, I'm a granny, so it's time for me to go to sleep and take these shoes off. That's definitely it. I'm tired. You're not full.
It's not full at all. But it was good.
Oh, it's about to rain.
Yes,
Let's go. Let's go.
It is 10 o'clock.
Let's go. Oh, hold on, baby. Ain't got a man, but I got a bed. Okay.
That's a word.
A big nice one, okay. It ain't never failed me. Hi. Good morning, guys. I am on my way. I'm having like a self-care weekend. So I'm on my way to the spa. So I look rough because every time I get cute to go there, everything comes off. Makeup, clothes, etc. So, taking you along. Whitney. Say hey, mama. Hi. But yeah, let me turn this music off before I get copyrighted. Again. Getting a massage. It's self-care weekend. Hi. 2 for the tish. You already knew it was us, huh? Just finished getting massages and OMG. It was so good. I look real rough, but I'm relaxed. Okay. It's self-care. If you know me, you know why I'm here. Candles. This is my weakness. And this one is my favorite. I used to get high intensity. This is my favorite candle of all times. But I've been liking this other one too. I don't see it. Oh, they still have champagne toast. So, guess we'll grab one of those. This is like a classic one. Just in case you guys, if you're watching, want to buy your girl some candles, like to always look to see what they have. And little like stationary items. That's cute, get a girl. Waiting for my mom to get her ring cleaned. And Jesus Lord. Of course, the ones that I like, their future husband, is like $13,000. And that's only 1 carat. I told myself that I wanted a 4 carat ring. If you want a baby, I need 8. So, you gotta have some good coin. For me. Because I don't need no clouds in my stones. I can't even find the one that's $13,000. I was just joking like, haha, you know, it's small, it's cute. And end up being $13,000. I'm more of a pear-shaped type of girl.
Thank you. All right, thank you.
Oh, this is the one that I always come in here to see. Those right there. I forgot how much she told me those rings cost. My mama think I'm crazy.
Got to close
That's it.
out my
If he ever
vlog.
asks you, that's it.
But I'm really enjoying this entire self-care weekend that I'm having right now. I'm just ending my night looking for something to watch on Amazon Prime.
Happy Sunday. This is the continuation of self-care weekend. Just the weekend of me relaxing and doing things that I want to do. Chill most of the time. On my way to church. Definitely can't have a self-care weekend without church. So that's where I'm on my way to now. I'm a little late, but church is so packed today that the parking lots are all like freaking full. I'm literally like a block away, like walking around like a block away. but it's lit. So, okay, New Life, one service. Maybe I'm up. I mean, I don't look like anybody's that way. Don't know what my car is. Maybe I was on 4. I don't know. Maybe I'm down 1. But these the wrong shoes to be looking for my car. I really cannot find my car. But I think I came this way, if I'm not mistaken. So let's see. I called myself being smart and leaving before everybody came out. But I don't think I was that smart because I really don't know where my car is. Walking. Was I this? I think I was this way. I'm not sure. Found it. OMG. I am a struggle. I'm all the way up there. Lord, I came out the wrong way. I mean, I came through the wrong stairs, so that's what the problem is. I'm out of breath. When you've done what you want, maybe I should start over. Hey, go. I'll catch him. It's sad I already know what I want.
Me too. That's why I want to try y'all out. I'm like, I just like hearing from some of my wine. I just don't.
Okay. It's like somebody gotta come out to eat with me at church. I'm tired of being by myself. Mimosas. Oh, Shanti Joe look good though with the pineapple, but I was just scared because it's vodka in it. They look so good. Buffalo shrimp. Oh, that's not mac and cheese. Shanti got the same thing. Looks so good. Okay, I know. I'm at the mall again, but this time I'm just looking for sunglasses. So, decided why not take you guys with me again. Then I'm going in. I just want to watch a movie and eat snacks. Take the rest of the night. So yeah. These are the only ones I had in my car, but they don't match nothing, but it's alright. So I'm looking for Celine glasses. And you guys need to help me pick out a pair. Nobody's over here. I wanted Chanel at first. It's selection suck. That is literally all that I came here for. I know they like, what? But whatever.
$139.
Hello.
110.
1 second. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks. Ooh, this is about to be so good, y'all. If my straw go in. Ooh, I'm so content. I got my shoe bag sit on this floor. I know it look like I got all kind of stuff there, but ooh.
Figure this